Test one, module two. Let's go. Due to their often strange images, highly experimental syntax, and opaque subject matter, many of John Ashbery's poems can be quite difficult to blank. What word are we thinking of here? Like when I think of a blank, I think of a word, first of all. And for me, I would say, well, they're difficult to understand, correct? When you think of a word, before you check your answers, it helps you stay focused on what's correct or what could be incorrect. So here, delegate means to what? Give other jobs, right? So to delegate jobs, it means to give it to different people. Compose means to create. Interpret means to understand. Ring-a-ding-ding. My answer is C. Why is it difficult to understand? Because of the experimental syntax, opaque subject matter. It's telling us here that the poetry or the work is complex. Any questions here? Question number 2 or 29A. I'm reading through here. So the biological characteristics such as the race, age, and sex have a blank effect on the toxicity of the venom. So here I would say a strong effect, right? Because it's saying that the age and sex, they have a very close effect, a strong effect on toxicity. That means it affects it greatly. And then if you look at the next sentence, it tells us that is to see if differences in these traits are associated with considerable ring-a-ding-ding variations in venom potency. So strong is a good word, right? Disconcerting means worry. Acceptable means to accept, right? Imperceptible means not sense. Substantial means great, right? And I like answer D because in the second part, Mrs. Fitty, that says that these effects are considerable. These effects are very strong. Former astronaut Ellen Ochoa says that although she doesn't have a definite idea, right, no clear idea of when it might happen, she blanked that humans will someday, right, need to be able to live in other environments. This conjecture, ring-a-ding-ding, it refers to the previous idea as conjecture. She believes, that's what I think, right? She believes humans will someday be able to live somewhere else. So let's see these answers. Demands, something you want or need right now? No. What is the meaning of speculate? Means believe, means conjecture. My answer is answer B. She doubts that humans will be able to live in environments, but if she doubts it, then why is she interested in the future research, right? So no, and establishes doesn't fit the conjecture here. So we're going to say answer B, speculate. Following the principles of community-based participatory research, tribal nations and research institutions are equal partners in health studies conducted on reservations. A collaboration between the Crow tribe and Montana State University blank this model. So I would say something like it shows this model, right? And let's see. Tribal citizens worked alongside scientists to design the methodology and continue to assist in data collection. What do we have right here? I mean, look at here, it's giving us an explanation. Look at the colon, an explanation of the model. So it shows the model. Circumvent means to bypass. And so we're not circumventing the model. Eclipse means to cover or overshadow. We're not doing that either. Fabricate means to create or even lie, right? And no, it's exemplifies. And what's the meaning of exemplify? Is to give an example. Answer D. Let's go. Here, they have struggled to pinpoint specific causes for hiccups, which happen when a person's diaphragm contracts blank. However, neuroscientist Kimberly has found that these uncontrollable contractions, what is it referred to? It refers to this. It tells us they're uncontrollable. So therefore, how do they contract? Involuntarily, ring-a-ding-ding. Wow, right? No control. Beneficial comes from benefit. Strenuously means something that is difficult. Smoothly, something that is easy. Our evidence is here, so we choose answer A. A for apple. The parasitic daughter increases its reproductive success by flowering at the same time as the host plant has latched onto. In 2020, Jiangqiang Wu and his colleagues determined that the tiny daughter achieves this blank with the host by absorbing and utilizing a protein the host produces when it's about to flower. It's telling us in the first part here that it latches on at the same time. So there, this at the same time. So what is at the same time? Synchronization. What is the meaning of synchronization? Two things happen together. Hibernation means a deep sleep. Prediction means to foretell the future, and moderation means something that is balanced. Answers A. Wowzers, browsers. Ophelia Zepeda contributions to the field of linguistics are blank. Her many accomplishments. This is my answer, guys. Right? Thank you, Mr. Min. Don't use a dictionary, Farida. Don't use a dictionary. So here are her many accomplishments. So we can say that her contributions are extensive. There are many. Pragmatic means something that is direct to do. Controversial means something that is what's the best way to describe controversial? Like it causes problems or controversy between groups of people, and universal means everywhere, right? So here we're going to say answer C, extensive. So here we're talking about these three things, right? The three sisters, maize, squash, and beans form a blank web of relations. And then here we explain that web of relations. The maize gives structure, the squash gives cover, the beans aid by giving nitrogen. So we can say they have a close web of relations. Indecipherable means not to be understood or difficult to understand. Ornamental means decor, decoration. Obscure means unclear, but we have examples. It is intricate. Intricate means complex. Complex.